Good morning, everybody. This is Israel from PRD Mobile Service. Hope everybody is having a great day. Time to recording, guys. I am one of my clients' house or apartments. Yeah, apartments. If you see in the background. Well, guys, we're gonna do a mini detail on this vehicle. I've done this vehicle before, so let's go ahead and look at the vehicle. Let's go see. Well, guys, I did this about 3 months ago, or going to 3 months. I did a wash and wax on this vehicle. Still looks good. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start with the detail. I also did a full interior. Unfortunately, I did not record none of this. This is before I decided to do a YouTube channel. Of course, guys, we put clean the fender liners, we clean the interior inside the wheels. This is like one of my popular services. All that browning. I believe sometimes they too because they have to have automatic wash. I don't know if the wax is still there. I do maintain this vehicle about at least once or twice a month. All right, guys, let's find out if the wax is still there. Again, it's been there for about close to 3 months. The car is dirty, so it's still there, it's fighting. So let's give it a good wash and get ready for the contact wash. I kind of forgot to hit the record button. Now we're gonna go with the contact wash right now. I am gonna put everything that I'm using down in the description. Let's go ahead and do the contact. I still need the contact wash, so I'm gonna go ahead. Flip the towel. Mind you guys, this was cleaned into about 3 months ago. When I was rinsing it down, the owner did came out and asked them if he does take it through automatic wash. He says no. So I mean, I'm the only one who that's been touching it for the past 3 months. That's good to hear. That's why the wax is still there. So if you like the video so far, just hit that thumbs up, that share, and the like button. I just started doing YouTube. I've been in business about for 6 years, And I just started pretty late to the party with my YouTube channel now. Look at the door. All right, guys. I dried off the car off camera. I did cut for a couple clients coming up to me asking questions. So sorry I couldn't record the grind stage, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off with a detail spray. Trying to maintain that wax on the vehicle. Give it a nice push and shine on it. Again, guys, I am gonna put all the products that I use on this vehicle, from the shampoo all the way to the detail spray, tire shine, and wheel and tire cleaner. It came out looking a nice day. I am from Chicago. For the past couple of days, it was nasty cold. Today was a good day, nice and sunny. We had to cancel a couple of times on this one, again because it was cold, raining. I am working by a complex building. A lot of people are stopping, asking questions. You know how that is. So grab this opportunity real quick, put some tire shine on it. Before I get more. All right, guys, this project is done. So let's go ahead, turn you guys around, and show you guys the end of the result. Here you go, guys. This is one of my maintenance wash, mini detail. Again, guys, unfortunately, I could not record it inside. Again, guys, I am working by a building complex. People are asking questions. So, guys, look at how beautiful it came out. 3 months ago, I did a wash and wax, and the wax is still holding on. Let's go ahead and look at inside. The door jams, everything gets cleaned out. All right, guys. Looks great. Ready for the weekend. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Hit that like, hit that share button, and hopefully see you guys at the next one.